D, 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 d. See me play upon my drum. Boys and girls, do you remember this sound? It was so much fun. It sounds D, D. Do you remember the action? Let's all pretend to hold drumsticks and beat up and down on a drum and say D, 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 D. And here it is. This is a drum. Drum starts with sound D. So now say with me, D, D, drum. Who will tell me what is a drum? Amazing! It's a famous music instrument. D, 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 drum. What's this? Yes, it's a dog. Dog starts with the sound D. D, dog. Can we keep a dog as a pet? Super! It can be a pet because it's very kind and friendly. But don't forget to feed the dog some bones. D, dog. Do you remember what is this? Excellent! It's a dolly. Dolly starts with sound D. D, dolly. The dolly is a toy made specially for the girls to play and have fun with. Who got a dolly at home? D, dolly. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. So what's this? Super! It's a duck. D, duck. It's a farm animal that walk on the land and swim in the water. D, duck. Now, let's remember together how we used to trace sound D. We start from the middle dot and we go round, up, 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 down again, and stop. Look at the train, it's moving correctly on sound D. Stop train. And now, one last time, let's see how to trace sound D. We go round, up, 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 down, and stop. Bye bye sound D. You were so much fun. It's time to play on our drums.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a